Bonjour, salut, ça va, hello everyone. Just a quick lesson on how to use these bloody cheap plastic verniers that you see at Bunnings or the auto parts stores. A lot of people will only read these to the nearest measurement on the top instead of reading the full fractional measurements, whether they be in 1/28 or in 0.05 of a millimetre. Okay, we're just taking a measurement, just for example, across this old UNC nut, which is inch and 7/16. Well, how do I know that's inch and 7/16? Okay, we'll start again, kids. Okay, that's 1 inch to there. So how do I know that's 7/16? All right, that's half an inch. So divide half an inch, quarter an inch, half a quarter is an eighth, half of an eighth is 16th. Okay, so this is how you count in inches. Okay, that's a quarter, so that's an eighth. So break these down into 16ths. That's 2, 4, 6. 6/16. But if that's one graduation there, that makes it 7/16. So this reads inch and 7/16. Then plus, okay, you've got this bloody slide and vernier scale. On here, this is marked in 1/28. So you see the 3 matches up with this main index scale, index mark. So that's 1 inch and 7/16 plus 3 and 1/28 of an inch. Okay, we'll dial that into the calculator. And you've got to have a scientific calculator, kids, as well as an engineer's black book. Okay, we'll dial that in. I go shift, bear with me, I've got to sort myself out bloody using this. Okay, we have 1 directional arrow up. That's the wrong thing there, hang on. 1, 7, directional arrow down, 16th, directional arrow across, plus, okay, fraction, which is 3, and directional arrow down, 1/28, just make sure I got that right, directional arrow across, get me equals, that's an improper fraction, that's 187 over 128. So, I'll hit the shift again up here, down here, it gives me a proper fraction, 159 over 128, okay, SD to decimalize that, okay, multiply that 1.4609 is a fractional inch, 25.4 to get that to millimetres, excuse me, it's 37.10 millimetres, which is the reading that you get on the bottom in metric. Okay, see that index mark, 37 on the main scale, then where that other index line matches up to the main scale, the 0.05 of a millimetre, so that would be, because that's 0.05 of the half, that's 10, 5, 10. So that is 37.10 millimetres. No worries.